Use your voice. Chopper. You want to go? Let's go. Okay.
Well, come on, let's go. Chopper, let's go. Let's go. Come on. What's taking you so long, dog? Here we go. Come on, let's go. Let's get in the car, bud. Come on. Love you. Come on.
You gotta stay with me.
Chopper, come.
Chopper, you gotta stay with me.
Chopper, stay. Sit. Daddy said sit. Stay.
My fault. Come here. Sit. Sit. You stay right here. You stay here. Stay right here.
Go.
Okay, go.
Go ahead.
Go.
Get in the car.
Get in.
Come here, bud. Come on.
Get in.
Run.
You just didn't want to do it yet. Oh, the coat got slippery on you.
Yeah. He's okay now.
He's okay. He's happy now.
Are you happy now, bud? Are you happy now? Yeah. Love you, bud.